Hey, in this video we're going to be discussing wind noise reduction on a GoPro 9 or 10 using this Vision Windslayer wind foam box that goes over top of the GoPro. Hey, if you like these kind of review videos, go ahead and click the subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new content. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors, and today we're going to be talking about how to reduce wind noise with your GoPro. I've been doing a lot of videos where we're out in the woods or we're standing right here, and I really haven't had any wind noise. Last summer I was out at Highland Park and I was doing the outer loop, and I was really hauling ass, probably doing about 50 miles an hour, and I started noticing the wind noise coming in. I'll show a video here in a second on that. But so I started looking around, and because it was annoying, and I'm doing a lot more videos, and we were in Idaho on UTVs, and I really noticed that it pretty much destroyed all of my videos because the wind noise was so bad. I was trying to do some filters and stuff to get it out, but I couldn't get it gone. So this is a great little product. I did look around the internet for a variety of things, and they had the cattails and all the goofy stuff that goes over top of the microphone here. And I need some stuff that I can get dirty and muddy and just easily wash off. This is a Vision Windslayer. Here's some information on this. I paid 10 bucks for it on Amazon, and it really just fits right over. Before we get into that, let's quickly look at a video that shows noise, where I've got it mounted on the front of my helmet right here, and kind of goes through all the noise that goes with that. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're coming around a corner and the noise is about to really kick in. All right, so you saw the noise. It's loud. It's a really annoying, just that. So with our windsock here, really all we have to do is just put our GoPro inside of here. Make sure you got your battery and your storage already in there. And this thing just kind of fits inside of here like a glove. Now this will work with the 9 or 10. This is the 9. And you can see here, you got your feet at the bottom. You've got an access door here on the side to turn it on. And then you've got an access door at the top here to actually start it. And that really just fits right on your clip like that, and then you'll put it in and you'll get going. So here's a nice little video of the kind of walking around it. And again, this is going to be a quick video. So we now got our GoPro with our foam covering that we paid 10 bucks on Amazon Prime for around. Let's take another little video look at what it looks like with this on, doing the same track, maybe like 6 months later. And this is again the outer perimeter at Highland Park in Cedartown, Georgia. And this is with the windsock on, and it's so crystal clear you can actually hear me running over the leaves at high speed and no wind noise is involved. So let's go ahead and take a peek at that clip. Okay, so as you see, wind noise is gone. So that was a quick video. Again, this is the Vision. I'll have a clip down here. This is the Vision Windslayer. It's 10 bucks. Just easily fits over. You can wash it out when you're done with it. It's got an opening here, opening in the front. Again, hey, I appreciate everybody's time. Again, hey, if you like these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that like or click that bell to be notified of new content. Hey, thanks for everybody's time. Have a great day.